Right now, surreal animal-themed trains are going crazy viral on social media. These cinematic journeys through mystical realms are pulling in millions of views and massive engagement. In this tutorial, you will see exactly how you can create these sentient biological locomotives step by step from scratch. Open the link for the Apex Locomotive Mystical Migrations Gemini that I left in the description. It opens right inside Gemini. Now you need to type in a specific animal species to begin the journey. For this example, type in Great Lion. Hit enter. The Gemini will now generate a 5-stage narrative journey following the birth and migration of your biological locomotive hybrid. You will see 5 distinct stages called the awakening, the departure, the transit, the peak, and the destination. Each stage comes with a cinematic narrative sentence and a ready-to-use image prompt inside a gray code block. Move your mouse to the top right corner of that gray code block and click the copy button. This copies the entire prompt for the Lion engine in its native biome. Now open Google Flow. Click on the Generate button in the main dashboard. You will see a large text field at the top of the screen. Paste your first prompt right into that box. Now look for the Model Selector drop-down menu. Click on it and choose Nano Banana 2. This is the specific model that handles these hyper-realistic biological textures and industrial machinery fusions the best. Set your aspect ratio to 9:16 for vertical shorts or 16:9 if you are making a full-length YouTube video. Click the Generate button. While that image is rendering, go back to your Gemini tab. Scroll down to the second stage titled The Departure. Click the copy button on that second code block. Go back to Google Flow and remove the old prompt from the text field. Paste the new prompt for the second stage. Click Generate again. You need to repeat this exact process for all 5 stages provided by the Gemini. Once all 5 images are generated, you need to save them to your computer. Click the download icon on each of the 5 images. We will need every single one of these for the next step. Now go to FlexClip. Click on the Image to Video tool in the sidebar. Upload your very first image. Now look for the model selector. Choose Seedance 2.0 fast to ensure the most fluid motion for the animal textures. In the motion prompt, go to Gemini and copy the video prompt, then go back to FlexClip and paste the video prompt. Click Generate and let the AI animate the scene. When that clip is finished, click the download button. Now remove that image and upload your second image showing the departure through the portal. Go to Gemini again, then copy and paste the prompt to FlexClip. Click Generate. Repeat this for all 5 images until you have 5 high-quality video clips. One more thing before we move on, you can download the official reference image from the link in the description. Every time you generate a new image in Google Flow, you should upload this reference image alongside your prompt. This ensures that the lion's features and the train's brass textures stay perfectly consistent across every single scene in the journey. Now your video needs an enigmatic and wonder-filled soundtrack. Go to FlexClip. In the music search bar, type in cinematic ambient or mystical fantasy. Browse the results and pick a track that feels heavy and majestic. Download that track. Now go to the sound effects section in FlexClip. Search for steam train, whistle, and lion roar. Download those effects to add a layer of realism to your machine. Now open the main editor in FlexClip. Import all 5 of your video clips, your music track, your sound effects, and your narration file. Drag your video clips onto the timeline in the chronological order of the journey. Line up each sentence so it matches the visual stage on the screen. Drop your music track onto the bottom layer and lower the volume so it stays in the background. Add your roar and whistle sound effects exactly where the train appears most powerful. Trim any gaps between the clips to keep the pacing tight. Your video is now ready to be shared with the world. You could upload it to YouTube and TikTok manually, but using a scheduling tool is much more efficient. If you are just starting out, use Metricool to manage your posts across different platforms. If you want the most professional experience, use Vista Social. Upload your video once and write your title and description. Schedule it to go out as a reel, a short, and a TikTok all at the same time. You can plan out an entire month of these mystical journeys in a single afternoon.